Hello everyone, greetings from Coppers Cove, Texas. I'm actually here in front of House Creek right now. House Creek Elementary School. This is actually where I used to go to school for 2nd to 5th grade. And this is a perfect background to show you the new model I just designed. Check it out. This is the state of Kansas, and it's a flicker. Check it out. Whoa, did you see that? Oh yeah, it's a pretty good flicker. Okay, I'm gonna flick it one more time. Oh yeah, it is a little windy, so it kind of cuts the flight off. Okay, would you like to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So for this model, you need a sheet of paper. This is actually folded from a half of a square, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's begin by folding in half. And if you want to fold one from a single uncut square, go to this tutorial. This one's just a lot easier and cleaner. Okay, and then now make a tear on the top, place it down, and separate your hands. And there you go. So you can make 2 of these from one square. Alright, so all you have to do is white side up, fold in half. Oh, by the way, if you want to fold the state of Texas, I made a tutorial recently right here. Okay, and then fold the crease, and fold it up again, and then fold to the top, folding over this edge. Alright, and I don't really think it matters which side you have up. I'm going to have this side up, and we're going to make this part, because you know Kansas has that chopped off corner on the right. So just fold that to taste, about like that. Okay. And now we're just going to fold this up. It's not going to fly. I don't think it'll fly too good with the multiple edges, so we're going to close them off. So it's one folded edge all the way around. So just fold it up just a tad, just like that. Okay, and then now look around. Oh, I see multiple edges right there, so I'm going to close those off. Okay. And that's fine, because that's one edge, one folded edge, but this is multiple edges, so I'm going to fold this up. Like that. And we are done. Can you believe that? It's super simple. It's actually a lot easier than the other one I did here. And just give it some curvature, so it'll fly up better. Alright, and there it is. So to hold it, to fly it, I'm going to hold right here, and I'm going to flick on the bottom. Like that. Alright, see how it flies. You can flick this model either on the bottom, or you can hold it like this and flick it from the top. I'm going to flick it like this. Yeah, it's a pretty good flicker. I'll flick it a few more times. Ooh yeah. Okay, one more time, and I'm going to flick it on the bottom this time. So I'm going to hold it like this. It might not fly too good like that. So hold it like this and flick on the top. Well, hope you guys like that, and if you like the video, give it a like, and leave a comment down below if you want, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, see you guys later.